What actually happens to your face, your liver, and even your nerves if you quit sugar for just 14 days? Before we dive in, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever looked in the mirror after a full night's sleep and thought, why do I still look tired? Or felt that strange 11 a.m. crash where your brain slows down, your mood dips, and your body feels older than it should? Most people think the first change from quitting sugar is weight loss. But the very first transformation hits your face, and it happens so fast, most people don't even realize it's happening. Your face begins to deflate, not because you're burning fat, but because your body finally switches off the hidden morning puffiness mechanism that sugar keeps stuck in the on position. And here's where things get strange. This shift isn't controlled by your liver. It's controlled by a tiny metabolic network inside your body that works like a thermostat, constantly deciding whether to hold water, burn sugar, store fat, or release it. The moment sugar disappears, that thermostat flips. Suddenly, your body stops inflating, stops crashing, and stops begging for snacks. Seniors feel this when they can read road signs more clearly or sleep through the night without getting up to pee. Younger adults notice it when their face loses that swollen morning look, their mood stabilizes, and their skin stops reacting. But here's the real pattern interrupt. Your arteries don't just heal, they unclench, they literally relax. That stiff feeling in your joints, that pressure in your head, even that slight shortness of breath. It all ties back to the same sugar-triggered tightening mechanism. And when sugar leaves your system, your metabolism stops acting like a dying phone battery and starts running like a fully charged one. You stop craving sugar at 10 a.m. because your body finally uses yesterday's belly fat instead of begging for more glucose. Your face deflates, your belly softens, your mind sharpens, all before the scale even moves. And the real villain isn't calories, or age, or lack of willpower. It's a metabolic blind spot tied to insulin resistance, keeping your body tired, inflamed, and stuck. Yes, the first visible change shows up on your face, but the real transformation begins deep inside that hidden thermostat network. And if you want to see exactly how it works, and how to activate it on purpose, that part begins right here.